on Friday that you would hear all applications for conservatory orders. I would like to be guided on that issue.
Which one is your application?
My application is to be found in the petition E027 of 2024.
My Lord,
File in
that
Eldoret.
petition is not consolidated with this.
Hello?
It is consolidated, Your Lordship. Mr. Wanyama, just hold your horses. The petition was consolidated by an order transmitted to me on Friday by the Deputy Registrar, indicating that the two additional petitions had been consolidated. Can you kindly confirm that? I informed all parties that we continue to receive petitions in this matter. We received petitions as late as yesterday, and by the very nature of those petitions, they seek invariably the same orders and the same prayers. But when a petition comes after we have given directions on other petitions, certainly you would not expect us to go back on the petitions which are not before the court. Your Lordship, if you allow me to read the order that I was given, perhaps it can shed more light.
Yes.
The order said that that petition had been consolidated and I'm required to follow the directions issued on Friday in the in the other petitions. That's what the order states.
My Lord, unless I'm mistaken, we were here to hear applications, two applications in petition, one in petition 522, one in petition 565. Equally, we were here to hear two applications from this side that my Lord directed would be treated as the responses to the applications on the other side. If my colleague's file has been consolidated with these files, it does not necessarily follow that his application also had been scheduled for hearing today. And lastly, my Lord, while I'm on my feet, I know we started by giving directions and the court being fair and allowing the parties to drag on and on, but we are concerned on this side that unless the court is able to fix a stop at some point, the other side is committed to proceeding on and on, as I said, until donkeys grow horns. And
we object to that.
Mr. Omoke, how much time do you want to submit on your application?
Your Lordship, I always speak very briefly. I will take only 5 minutes.
Proceed.
And I'll do it right away.
We will be disadvantaged slightly with Mr. Omoke's application because he has filed written submissions that he only served on us late last night and we have not responded to.
Your Lordship, the submissions